Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Outlook focused inbox for better workflow prioritization. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Outlook focused inbox, begin by opening the Outlook application on your computer. Once Outlook is open, locate the View tab in the top menu. Click on the View tab to reveal the drop-down options. In the drop-down menu, find the Show Focused Inbox option. Click on Show Focused Inbox to enable the feature. After enabling Focused Inbox, you will notice two tabs appear at the top of your inbox. These tabs are labeled Focused and Other. The Focused tab contains your most important emails. The Other tab holds everything else, helping you reduce clutter. To manage which emails appear in your Focus tab, right-click on any email. From the context menu, select Always Move to Focused or Always Move to Other. This allows Outlook to learn your preferences over time. You can also customize how Focused Inbox operates through the Settings menu. To access settings, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the Settings menu, type Focused Inbox in the search bar. Select Focused Inbox from the search results. Here, you can adjust preferences for how Focused Inbox behaves. After making adjustments, remember to save your settings. With Focused Inbox enabled, keep an eye on the accuracy of email sorting. Regularly review and adjust your preferences to enhance email prioritization. At any time, if you want to disable Focused Inbox, repeat the same steps. Return to the View tab and uncheck the Show Focused Inbox option. This will revert your inbox back to a traditional view. With these steps, you can effectively utilize Focused Inbox for better workflow prioritization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.